out. Look at this. It lets you generate image, and the more you keep generating images, the more you keep getting credits. See, before I had 500 credits and now I have 512 credits. So what that means is that the more you keep using this platform, the more you keep getting free credits. I have not tested the video part, but I'm going to do. Look at how neat this image is. Look at how it looks like GBT. Like, it is very, very good. Now let's go back here and see what it can do again. You are going to come here. This app is very, very interesting. Now let's come back. Okay, I'm going to come right here and then click new trend. See, follow me step by step so that you will not make mistake on how to use this platform. Now, for you to be able to generate image, just click on this create right here and paste in your prompt. I've already copied a prompt before, so you paste in this prompt right here and then it's going to generate the image. But to make this fair, let me go and take another prompt that we can use. This story, I want to generate a flow, a consistent character, a flow. Now I'm going to be using this one again. Now look at this. Now I'm going to be copying this. Make sure that you already have, for this is just for tutorial purpose, so make sure you already have something that you have kept on your file that you want to generate, a prompt that you have kept on your file to generate. Now I'm pasting it here and then I'm going to click on here, this aspect here. Then you generate your image. When you generate your image, watch what is going to happen right here. Now it's going to make use of the agent. It's going to make use of the, and it's going to bring out a drop box right here to see what you are doing. Now look at what it's doing right here. It's generating your images, your image and your scene. It can generate individual image, it can generate scene. So look at what is happening right here. It has brought out the image. So you just come here and then download straight. When you download straight, you are going to come to your icon here. You are going to come to your profile icon here. It's downloading. Now you are going to come to your profile. You are going to see now that your credit has reduced. Do you see? It downloaded successfully, but your credit has reduced. Now I'm going to come here. Now I've generated another image. So when you generate your first image, they are going to give you bonus. Now I'm going to now come here and then click new trend. So now I want to generate video. I want to generate video. So whatever I've already downloaded on my PC, I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to ask it to generate a video. So now let's go back to GPT to get a dialogue scene. Now this is dialogue scene. This is a dialogue scene. Maya speaks excitingly as she blah 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 blah. Eye movements. Okay. I'm going to copy it, put it here. Remember that your dialogue scene needs to be very, very good. So I'm going to come down. So this is what we are going to put here. Copy. Remember that you are going to have to describe your scene. You are going to have to describe your characters, describe them in how they are. So who is Maya? So this is her, this is Maya, and this is Zara. So you are going to, this description of these two people, you are going to add it to your scene. You are going to add it to your dialogue scene. Paste it here and then come like this. Then copy all of this for your dialogue and then cut it out of GPT and then come back here to paste. Now let's see what it's going to do. So now I'm also testing this platform out. I have not used it before. So now let's see if it's going to generate a, okay, no. Okay, let me paste it again. So let's go. Let's see what it's going to generate for me. So it's telling me that So now I'm going to tell it to generate a dialogue scene. So I'm going to tell it to generate. This form is very complicated to work with, but let's see. So I'm going to come here and see what is going on here. So this is okay. If I put in my attachments, I want to be able to see if I can generate image. I still have 324 credits to be able to generate image. So now let's see what we can do with that. Now I've clicked text to video. So I'm going to upload my file here and see if it's going to bring in, if it's going to be able to generate from here, because I want to create a video. So now I'm going to just paste what I want, that's it, and then click on it. So we're going to see what is going to bring out from here. So let's see what this is going to do. Okay, it's generating. Perfect. Now that it's generating, let's see. Okay, it's generating and it's really going to take time the way I'm seeing this one. So I'm going to pause this video, come back, and then we are going to see the finished result since we're able to get it. So you can go and check out this AI app and use it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now, so that you will not miss any AI tool, any free AI tool that I can lay my hands on. I'm going to be bringing it on this channel, and also any type of way you can monetize your social media account, I'm going to be showing you on this channel also. So subscribe to my channel and like this video so that other creators can be able to see this video. Like the video, post in the comment if you are able to. If you have any question or you have any video you want me to, any AI tool you want me to review, put it in the comment section and I'll be back. Now guess what, it has already brought out the video and I'm going to be showing you the results, but watch it. Sometimes you are going to see that it came out in another type of way that you will not really want, but it's another new method that this AI tool is only. This is just a reminder that this AI tool that I've just reviewed is just good for image generation. Now watch this.
Sarah, guess what? What happened? I got promoted.
So now this is to show you that whatever you do, just stick to the image generation part. What I mean is that don't go to this text to video part at all. Just stick to image generation. Stick to image generation for this particular platform, and it's going to give you your image generation just like Grok. It's going to give you exactly, perfectly. It's going to bring it out so well that you will not even believe that you brought it out from this platform. So if you are going to generate something that is pixel like, because this image is pixel like and this is going to give you a pixel like kind of image, then you can use this platform. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.